The car came from the factory as an E8211-8D with a 2.0-liter N47D20 diesel inline-4. The engine bay now holds a 5-liter S85 V10 from a BMW M5 E60, making 550 horsepower and 620 newton-meters of torque. An E92 M3 6-speed manual transmission with a tilting triple-plate clutch sends power to a GNG Motorsport custom gear end with 3.85 gears. The engine is mid-mounted, and it's not an inline-4. It's a 2.0-liter triple-rotor 20V. Yep, closely related to Mazda's Le Mans 757 engine. It's also an all-wheel drive, giving it the traction it needs for flinging gravel and tearing up tarmac. This consists of new cams, heads, rods, and pistons, in addition to an enormous precision 7676 turbocharger. Although the engine is shown to struggle with the additional power, it is matched to a Getrag 420 6-speed manual transmission, as seen in the E46 BMW M3, along with a rear differential sourced from an E92 M3. This particular Cinquecento is now a rear-wheel drive race car with a driver's seat located in the middle. In the back of the car sits a 1441cc inline-4 from a 2012 Kawasaki Ninja ZX14R motorcycle that makes 207 horsepower from the factory. However, the video claims this engine is making 250 horsepower. The engine of this Toyota 86 sounds quite different than you may expect, likely because it has a unique intake and exhaust system. The F136 doesn't really sound like a Maserati or Ferrari V8, and sounds more like an American V8 with a bassy tone and thumping sound. The Nissan Silvia RPS 13, known as the Nissan 240 SX in the United States, Nissan 200 SX in Europe, and the Nissan 180 SX in Japan, belongs to the category of the most well-known and most used drift cars in the world, and on the circuit as well. If you're curious to find out about the sort of performance it offers, 0 to 62 miles per hour takes 4.2 seconds, before topping out at a respectable 170 miles per hour. That's a major improvement compared to the production Signet, which needed 11.8 seconds for the Sprint and had a maximum speed of just 106 miles per hour. The thing that sets this project apart and causes a lot of internet cursing is the 7.4-liter LSX 454 V8 under the hood. The engine produces 1,200 horsepower and 1,150 foot-pounds of torque thanks to a large Garrett GTX 4718R turbocharger, ASNU 1500cc injectors, E85R fuel, and AEM Infinity ECU. Power goes through a Quaife Engineering 69G 6-speed sequential transmission. This Toyota GT86 was built by FFF Drifting Department and FNATZ Garage for Italian pro drifter Federico Scerifo. The car is powered by a 3-liter 2JZ GTE inline 6 with a large Borg-Warner turbocharger and rides on a Öhlins Racing AB suspension kit with a Rocket Bunny V3 aerial kit. Under the hood sits a twin-turbo 5.6-liter VK56 V8, making 1,100 horsepower and 1,350 Newton-meters of torque. Power is sent through the rear wheels through a Drenth Motorsport MPG sequential transmission and R230 differential. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.